Yo, what's good guys, it's Cyber. Today I'm gonna show you my brand new overlay editing pack, how I use it, how you can use it, and all that good stuff. Before I start off, it is half price on my website right now, so please go make sure to check that out. Alright, so we're on After Effects right now, and I got this clip from the new music video. So I thought this clip right here might be cool because, you know, it's kind of easy to rotoscope them. So we're just gonna rotoscope them right now. We got them roto brushed. We're just gonna duplicate the layer and delete the bottom roto brush. Now for the good stuff, we're gonna go into the pack, put on some overlays. We're just gonna put it in between both clips, and you can see how it goes. There you go. It's super simple. Super simple. I'm telling you guys, this will save you so much time, bro. So easy to use. Just drag and drop, roto brush, and put it on. Now I'm gonna show you one of the transitions. I'm just gonna get another clip from the music video. Alright, so I picked this clip. I'm just gonna get a transition from the pack. Let's show it on. Alright, so this is one of the transitions right here. We're just gonna sync it up so it covers up the whole screen and scale it up as well. Now we can see how it looks. I'm telling you guys, easy, so easy. Let's rotoscope him again so we can throw on another overlay. Cool, we roto brushed and duplicated it and deleted the bottom roto brush. Now we're gonna throw in another overlay. I'm gonna just throw in this random ass overlay where the money goes up, so I'm gonna squeeze it in between both layers and check it out. Crazy. Crazy. This pack is so easy to use, man. As I said, I do have a 50% discount on it right now, so we'll make sure to check it out. And if you stayed this long, I will drop a free version with 2 of the effects on it. So go make sure to download that. Let me know if you'll mess with it. And then cop the full version, you know what I'm saying? Appreciate you guys for watching. And if you want me to do anything else like this, just let me know.